Y'all can go do it on my desk.
And look. So now we're gonna go start it. Okay, we got the glass. Whatever this is. What is bacon soda?
Vinegar.
We got vinegar, baking soda. Baking soda. This is baking soda. This is just water. And this is my brother Jase. And he's going to be joining us today. And my lovely mother Jasmine. She's also going to be joining us today.
Alright, so you said how to do this.
Yes.
It's been a while since we made a volcano.
So,
Back in 1962, I had a science project to do. And I decided to do a volcano. We're missing one ingredient. Okay, we both got two. But yeah, we're missing one ingredient. Well, it's not an ingredient. The aluminum foil for the covering.
okay. She'll be right back with the aluminum foil. So guys, we're back. And we got the aluminum foil. How do we start this?
This is like, let me create the volcano.
Oh, God, this blood running in our face.
Yeah, about to. I can't really get the table covering. Hey, this is my masterpiece. Stop
Hey,
it.
hey, this is our video.
Y'all do the rest.
Hey,
my car.
this is our video. Does that look like an actual volcano to you?
Yeah.
And if we
Straight out of Hawaii.
we would paint the outside. And this food color right here. Okay, red food color is going to be dripping down.
Alright, so hold on, wait. Since y'all like to fight. No. Since y'all like to fight about everything, who's gonna do the dye?
Me!
Okay, you're gonna do the dye.
I want to keep that in my room.
You do?
Yeah, me too.
Y'all got 2 rooms.
Yeah, we share our room.
Y'all don't.
And how, what order did those?
You're a what, Daddy?
You put that in the.
What did you say? You're a scientist?
No, you're not.
Okay, hold on.
What
Hold
is
on.
the biology of 68 is?
What?
Biology of 16.987. Yeah, baking soda. You don't know.
Do you know?
Yeah.
What is it?
772.
Okay.
136.
Okay. So you pour this first. What are you pouring? What is this?
Baking soda.
Pour this down.
I know what to do. You just put that in there.
Yeah, and then you go next.
Put it on there.
That's good, that's good. Just get it
He
in there.
doesn't need to use this. Now hit your big chunks all the way. You see the smell?
Good.
Now you
Pour all of it in there.
food color, but right now he's using red. And we're almost out of red. So if you don't see that
Okay,
much red.
good.
Why don't
Y'all
we-
might want to stand for this explosion.
It smells like those vinegar chips.
1, 2. Now the explosion. Pour, 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 pour. There it is. It didn't turn colors. Do it again. Pour more. Pour more. Pour more. Don't listen. Okay, okay, okay. There it is.
Lady, look. Pour more. Lady, look. Can I pour some yellow? Let me pour some yellow. Open it then.